I've had this makeup on like since about 9 o'clock this morning. I also decided to cut my hair today, which was probably a really bad idea. I cut like these little fringe bits in it. Sorry Samantha if you're watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my makeup is not going to stay on for long because in today's video I've decided that I'm going to dye my eyelashes. Basically the thing that inspired me to do this is a couple of weeks ago I had my eyebrows tinted and waxed, and it just reminded me that when I was like, I don't know, maybe 13 and 14, I bought this like 30-day mascara from Asda, which is basically like a little dye set where you mix two things together, put it on your eyelashes, and it would tint them black because my lashes are naturally blonde or like light brown. My natural hair color is like this up here, so it's kind of like a dark blonde / light brown, and my eyelashes and eyebrows are also very fair. And yeah, I used to tint them or dye them or whatever you want to call it, and I decided that I was gonna do it myself again today in a video and see if it works, because I can't really remember if it used to actually work and if it actually made my lashes look any better. Because if you watch my videos for a while, you'll know that my eyelashes are really long. This is just them with mascara on right now, but when I take off my mascara, you can't really see my lashes because they're quite light. So I'm thinking if I dye them black, then maybe I won't feel as bad about myself without makeup on. So if you want to come along on this journey with me, then feel free. Okay, so I went onto Amazon and I did find the kind of kit that I used to use. I can't remember what it was called, but it was like some 30-day mascara thing. But the one that was more popular, I decided to go for this one because it had like good reviews and stuff. It's by a brand called Julienne, and this is the eyelash and brow tint permanent color in Midnight Black. So it looks like this, and then I got a set that came with the activator because you need some kind of peroxide to mix with it. I'm kind of scared to put this on my eyes because I seem to remember it used to really sting and my eyes are really sensitive, so maybe don't do this at home. So this is the kind of tint stuff, then you mix it with the peroxide, and then the set that I got on Amazon also came with this tiny little like mini shot glass type thing so that you can mix it in here, which is actually pretty useful. And then it came with an eyebrow brush. I guess this is because you can also use this on your eyebrows. I mean, I'm not going to be dyeing my eyebrows black today, but if you did want to use this, then it comes with an eyebrow brush. It's actually a pretty decent eyebrow brush. Oh, the brush says eyelash tinting. So maybe I'm going to use this. I don't know. Julienne eyelash and brow tint is water resistant and lasts up to 45 days. Suitable for contact lens wearers. Well, that's good. One tube sufficient for 12 applications. I think this whole thing was like £9 for like the entire kit. And then it says tint should be mixed with a few drops of 3% volume 10 peroxide. Peroxide is not included and must be purchased separately. I really hope there's actual instructions in here because it doesn't say how long to leave it for. Okay, in this box you get a little spoolie, which is good. And then this is the tube of stuff. Also, by the way, I am attempting to do Vlogmas, so if you want to see some Christmassy vlogs from me, they're kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie, but if you want to see them, they're over on my second channel, which is Soph Does Vlogs. Protect working area. What does that mean? Oh, I guess like the area around you. Maybe I should move my laptop. It says contact lens wearers must remove lenses. I'm assuming I'm gonna be fine because I have daily disposables. If I get it in my eye, I'll just take them out then and chuck them in the bin. Apply petroleum jelly to the underside of 2 Julienne protective pads. Well, I don't have those. Place each pad on the skin as close to the lower lashes as possible to protect the skin and avoid colour stains. With the eyes lightly closed, apply the mixture to the lashes using the precision eye wand in the same manner as applying mascara. Avoid touching the skin. If you wish to achieve a lighter effect on lashes, leave on for a shorter period of time. The darkness also depends on your hair type. Blah, blah, blah. Eyes should remain closed for 10 minutes to avoid irritation. That will be where I went wrong last time. I just like walked around with it on my eyelashes, so it probably just fell into my eyes. No further darkening will take place after 15 minutes. I'm probably going to leave it on for 15 minutes then. With eyes still closed, use damp cotton wool to remove any residual mixture, wiping lightly from root to tip of lashes. Slight stinging may occur. This is a normal reaction. If it persists for more than a minute, flush with an eye bath of cool tap water. You know what? I'm just gonna go and take off my makeup and I will be back for this experience to share with you all. Wow, we love a hormonal breakout. Whenever I take off my makeup, my face and skin go so like blotchy and red, so it will calm down in a minute, it's fine. I don't trust myself to not get this in my hair, so I'm gonna put these on. I also changed my jumper because again, I don't trust myself to not spill this down myself. So I've got my pot of Vaseline, which I'm not kidding is probably about as old as me. Does anyone else have a pot of I'm not even kidding. On the bottom of this, it says Used by November 2007. That was nearly 12 years ago. I'm gonna put it on my skin anyway. Vaseline doesn't go out of date, right? Okay, well that's a good start. I'm gonna take a cotton bud and actually dip into some of this. And I'm gonna put this like on the area surrounding my eyes because I don't want to tint my skin. When I used to do this, when I was younger, I used to just use good old Vaseline. This exact Vaseline. And I mean, it worked, but this is gonna look so ugly for a bit, so apologies. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, this does not feel nice. I'm trying not to actually get it on my eyelashes because then the dye won't really stick to it that well. Who remembers that time when like glossy eyelids were a thing? Okay, so these are what my eyelashes look like before. By the way, the brow tint on my brows I had done at Benefit. It has faded quite a bit, but my brows still look pretty good with no makeup on. But this is what my eyelashes look like. You can see my bottom lashes. You can barely even see them. My top ones, you can see them a bit, but they're so much longer than you can actually see. Like, they are really long, but they look really short without mascara because only like the roots of them are quite dark. I look like a hot mess right now. Half the size of a pea into the glass thing. Do you want to come off? That would be good. I'm gonna go with about this much. And then it says to use 2 to 3 developed for professionals. 1, 2. Let's go with 2 at the start and see what it does. And then I'm just using the little brush that came with it to try and mix this together. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna do it really clumpy so that it actually gets on all my eyelashes because otherwise it's not gonna work. I feel like it needs to fully coat them. I can hear my cat snoring behind me. I'm guessing I need to get it on like both sides of my eyelashes. I also just want to say, please do not try this at home without the permission of your parents, or just don't try it at home in general. Just go to somewhere that does it professionally because this is probably a very bad idea right now. Okay, let's try and do the lower lashes. Oh god, my eyes are already burning. Ow, ow, ow. Oh. Oh. Whoops. It's fine, guys. This is why the Vaseline is here. It's really hard to get it on the ends of your eyelashes. Okay, this is actually really starting to sting now. Don't cheat on this, but comment down below whether you think this is actually going to work or not, because right now I'm a bit skeptical. There is probably tons of beauticians commenting on this right now, like, oh my god, Soph, what are you doing? Oh, that's in my eye. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my god, it's actually burning. Right, let's set a timer for 15 minutes. This burns. I mean, it did say that stinging was normal, but this is actually, it feels like it's burning my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna close my eyes for the next 10 minutes and then I will be back to take this off. This was a horrible idea. Don't do this, don't do this. My eyes are burning. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Well, it's been like 11 minutes. I'm on like 4. I've got 4 minutes left, but I kind of figured that I was applying it for a few minutes and it was on there while I was like talking to you guys. So I'm gonna go run some hot water and take this off. I'm not kidding, my eyes are burning. Like, it stings so bad. So I really hope I'm not gonna have a reaction to it or anything. I mean, I'm sure I'll be fine. I'll get over it. Don't do this at home, like I said. I'm gonna go wash this off with some warm water and I'll be back with the finished result. Okay, right, I'm back. I have removed everything from my eyelashes. My eyes are still stinging a bit, but I would say just be really, oh god, I've still got Vaseline on my face. So my face still does look a bit like red around my eye area, but the way that I moved it is I was just really, really careful with cotton pads and cotton buds, just kind of like going upwards and try not to get too much water on the cotton pad because otherwise it will kind of like makes it run into your eyes. But it has actually worked. It's not as dramatic as I would want it to be. Like, I was hoping it would make my eyelashes look like how they look with mascara, but you can actually see my eyelashes now. Wait, I'll give you a close-up. Like, can you see here? You can actually see my eyelashes now. It's not a super dramatic difference, but it definitely has made a difference. Like, my eyelashes are definitely black now. Like, you see what I mean? You can definitely see my bottom lashes a lot better than you could before. To be honest though, I feel like I don't really look that different without makeup. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it's worth doing? Because it was quite a lot of effort to go through. I wonder how long this will last. It'd be pretty interesting to see. I mean, I guess if you guys are subscribed, you'll see throughout my tutorials over the next few weeks what my eyelashes look like. I do have a video that is pre-filmed, which I think is going to be in my next video, but other than that, like, I will keep you guys updated in future tutorials and stuff about how black my eyelashes remain. My eyebrows seem to have only lasted like a week maybe, so I feel like for lashes, they might not last that long because I'm constantly taking makeup off them. But we'll see. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the result. It's not as dramatic as I wanted it to be. But I mean, my lashes definitely look better than they did before. Okay, so I'm just going to find a question of the day. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below with the hashtag question of the day and I might answer them in my next video. This one is so random, but I feel like it's kind of relevant to this video because I've been talking about how I wear contact lenses. Somebody said, Karis Jenkins said, question of the day, what prescription are your glasses? I feel like this is a really boring one, but in my glasses, I think I am minus 4.75 in this eye and then minus 5 in my right eye, but my contact lenses are like a little bit weaker because they go like right next to your eyes, so they're slightly different. So in my contacts I am minus 4.25 and minus 4. So I can't actually see like pretty much anything without my glasses or contact lenses. Like, my vision is really quite bad. I know that there are people that have vision that's a lot worse than that, but if you have vision that's the same as me, you will understand. Like, if I don't have my contact lenses in or glasses on or anything, I can't see past about this distance without things being blurry. Like, if I was filming right now, I would not be able to see myself in the viewfinder. Like, it's really, you know, it's not the best vision, but I get by with my contact lenses and glasses. I think I'm too scared to have laser eye surgery as much as I feel like it would change my life. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna finish watching the X Factor because it's actually the final right now as I'm watching this and I'm recording it and I want to go see who wins. So I'm rooting for Dalton, by the way. I'm predicting that he's gonna win. If Dalton doesn't win, I will be quite sad. Okay, so I really hope you guys are all doing really well. Sorry this video was a bit random. My eyes are still burning. Don't try this at home like I said, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!